Hello, in this video I'm going to show you what to do if your SIM card is not being detected on your Samsung Galaxy A3. If your SIM card is not being detected, the first thing you should try is to make sure your SIM card is properly inserted. To do so, take the little sharp pin you got with your phone and use it to push into this hole to pop out the SIM card slot, and then carefully pull the SIM card out, clean it with a soft cloth and put it back in there, then slide the slot back in, make sure it's all the way in before checking if it is now being detected. If it isn't being detected, try taking it out again and putting it into another phone to check if it's the problem with the SIM card or the phone. If it does work in another phone, then that means that possibly the SIM card reader on your phone is damaged and you might give your phone up to a service station. But if it doesn't work in other phones either, that could be an issue with the card itself. Then you might have to contact the provider of your SIM card so they may give you a replacement. Another thing you could try doing is going into settings, then going into general management, reset, and then reset network settings to try and reset settings to maybe reset a setting that could be causing the problem. Another thing you could try would be to check if maybe your phone is up to date, because if it isn't, it could be causing issues too. Simply go into software updates, then download updates manually. If it doesn't find any new updates, that means that wasn't the issue. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing, leave a like and a comment down below.